Hello dear students, good evening. Now let us try to solve NEET 2017 question paper that is held on the 7th May 2017. Dear students, let us try to solve out. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel. Name the gas that is readily decolorized acidified KMnO4 solution. So if you are having that is what student KMnO4 solution, so that is SO2 group. SO2 is readily decolorized KMnO4. So this is KMnO4. If you are adding with the SO2, so it will give that is what student MnSO4 plus H2SO4 plus K2SO4. This is colorless. Okay, so which gas is decolorizing? That is sulfur dioxide. Next question you see student, that is element 114 has been discovered recently. It will belongs to which family group electronic configuration? So 114, right student? So you know students, that is how can you do, that is Rn is there, Rn means 86. Okay, Rn 86 is there, right? Then Rn, then it will come 7s2, 5f, okay, 5f 14, 6d10, and that is 7p2. So that is, it is going to be p block student. So that is carbon family. It is option number 2 student. P block group period number 7. Group number it will be, that is if you talk about group, it will give 14. Okay, carbon family. Next problem student, let us see. The heating of phenyl methyl ester with HI produce. Okay, so if you are heating phenyl methyl ester, so you see student, that is here is phenyl is group is there O, and that is CH3. Okay, phenyl methyl ether is there student, ether, ETHER. Okay, and you are treating with the HI. This is also asked in the 2020 paper also, this problem student. So it is giving the phenol, it will give student, and phenol it is giving OH group, and here is CH3I. So correct option it will give, that is phenol will, the option number 2. Very easy student. Which is the correct order of acidity? So triple bond is more acidic, then this one, then this one, then correct option is option number, it will be, that is first itself be correct, that is this will be more acidic students compared to, that is alkyne is, because here is sp character, s character is 50%, here is also 50, here is 33%, here is 25%. So greater the s character, greater electronegativity, and stronger the acid. Next, predict the correct intermediate in the following reaction. So you are adding the water students here in the case of alkyne, you are going to add out the water molecule students. So let us try to solve out the problem student. So we are having, this is the question, CH3 C triple bond, this is CH, and if you are adding that is HOH, here is H2SO4 is there, and HgSO4 is also there. So what will happen students, here it is going to be OH group is going to add, and H2 group is going to add here. So it will going to be CH3 and C, this is OH double bond CH2. So that is, it is coming to be a tautomerism. So what will happen in the tautomerism students, this hydrogen is going to be here. So this will be, that is ketone will form C double bond O and CH3. So that is intermediate A, this is the A, this is wrong. Okay, ketone will form. This is the correct option is option number 3 student. This direct NCERT problem student, this is the NCERT problem that you can check out the NCERT. The equilibrium constant of the following reaction they are asking students, that is N2 plus 3H2 K1, N2 plus O2 K2, H2 plus half O2, that is H2O K3. The equilibrium constant for the reaction NH3 5/2 O2 NO plus 3H2O will be. Okay student, so how can you be able to solve students? So equation 2 plus 3 into equation 3 minus equation 1. So how you will be able to get this equation from the above 3 equation? You use this equation 3 equation and frame this equation students. So that is NH3 is there, how much in the product side, here in the coming to be reactant side. So this one, so K1 is getting reverse, So K1 is reverse, means that is for this reaction it will be go, that is it will go up, K1 will go down. Up now second point, 5 by 2 O2 and here is O2, है ना, that is same side is there, but this will power it will go student, power it will go. So power you multiply by this is okay, 2NO is there, 2NO, that is no problem. Okay, so if you talk about the K2 students, K2, so that is just it reverse it out, K2, and no need to reverse, that is let it be K2 only. Okay, now K3 you see, K3 what you are going, O2 is there na, O2, so you H2 and O2. So what we have to do is student, because we need 5 by 2 O2, here is O2 and 1 by 2 O2, so if you multiply these things by 3, okay, if you are multiplying by 3, so 3 by 2 O2 and 1 O2, okay, so it will be K3 power 3, okay, K2 K3 power 3, this is the K, this is the coming to be, so this is the K2 K3 upon K1. So correct option is option number 1 students, that you practice it out student, this is not tough, direct NCERT type of problem is there. Which one is the most acidic in the compound in the given? So greater the most here is the greater the minus I group are there na, this is I is coming, this is, so what will happen student, this many electron withdrawing group are there student, okay, minus I minus I minus I, so 3 minus I, so this will be the most acidic dear student. So correct option is option number 3 itself. Now the correct increasing order of basic strength, so you see here is lone pair, here is lone pair, here is lone pair, so this is donor, okay, this is electron drawing, so this is most basic, okay, then this is, so third will come first, then first, and then it will be second, third first second, so this is the third first second, which are the thirds, this is wrong, third first, option number 3 is correct students, okay, third first second, this is the order. So now let us move out the student, next one, 145. What is the question? Ionic mobility of which of the following alkali metals ions is lowest when aqueous solution of their salt are put under electric field? Okay, ionic mobility of which of the following alkali metal ions, ionic mobility of which of the following alkali metal ion is lowest, ionic mobility of which of the following alkali metal ion is lowest when aqueous solution of their salt are put under electric field. So lowest means that is lithium, lithium is having highest hydration energy, and we know student ionic mobility, inversely proportional to, this is the size of hydrated ion, size of hydrated ion. So that is what is our required answer, 145, that is third option is correct. Okay, now move for the question number 146. The most suitable method for separation of 1:1 mixture of ortho and para nitrophenol. Okay, ortho and para nitrophenol we have to prepare, that is separate, that is the steam distillation student. The ortho and para isomers can be separated by steam distillation, as orthonitrophenol is steam volatile, okay, due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, while pyronitrophenol is the less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which causes the association of molecule. So that is here, if you talk about the orthonitrophenol, so here is, that is what is there student, this, and so this group is there, so easily more volatile is there student, more volatile, this exists and alone. Okay, if you talk about the another molecule, so if you see here is OH is there, here is NO2, so what is this is going to form, that is again student, this is going to form, that is the hydrogen bonding with this, so it is less volatile, this is the less volatile. So because of this student less volatile, because of this we can separate with the steam volatile. Crystallization, sublimation, chromatography are the wrong. Now next problem, problem number 147 dear students, let us try to solve question number 147. HgCl2 and I2 both when dissolved in water containing I minus ion, the pair of species formed. Okay, so let us try to solve out. HgCl2 plus 2I minus, it will go with student, that is HgI2 plus 2Cl minus, right? It is what is going to be student, 2I minus. Okay, so it will give student HgI4. Okay, HgI4 minus 2, HgI4 minus 2. Now this is the HgI4 minus 4 it is going. Now if you see soluble complex student, no, if you talk about soluble complex, so I2 plus I minus, it is I3 minus is formed. So this is I3 minus is water soluble student, water soluble. So they are asking that is HgCl2 I2 both when dissolved in water containing I, the pair of species formed is. So if you see HgI4 2 minus and I3 minus, so correct option is option number 2 dear. Mixture of the chlorogyllenol and torpinol act as. Okay, so that is, this is the chloro substituted compound are the antiseptic students. Okay, so correct that is the chlorogyllenol is and torpinol is, that is antiseptic, that is also known as what student, this if you talk about, this is also the Dettol. Next one, question number 149. An example of sigma bonded organometallic compound is, organometallic sigma bonded reagent is itself is the RMgX. So what is that is sigma bonded, or this is the organometallic compound and there is the sigma bond is there, so that is our answer is 1. A first order reaction has a specific reaction rate, this one, so that is reaction rate they have given. How much time will it take to 20 gram of reactant to reduce 5 gram? Okay, so how can you be able to solve student? So see, T half is equal to how much coming student, 0.693 upon K. So 0.693 upon that is 10 ki power minus 2 is equal to 69.3 second. Okay, so let us solve. 20 gram is there student, so in T half it is going to be 10 gram. Then again you take that is T 1 by 2, it is coming to be 5 gram. Okay, so total time if you are calculating student, total time, so how much will be there is 2 into T half. So 2 into T half means 2 into 69.3, so it is coming 138.6 second, 138.6 second. So our required answer you can see 138.6 second. This is the required answer. You can solve it out by the different method also. Let us move. Okay, I am going to solve it out with the different method students. So what is the different method student? T is equal to how much there, 2.303 upon K, a log upon A naught upon what student, that is A. Okay, so how much is coming, 2.303 K value 10 power minus 2 into log how much student, 20 by 5, so that is log 4 it will come. So if you solve it out it will come 138.6 second. So this is the correct option is option number 1. Now let us move out the next question student. What is the next question here? Question number 151 is the next question. Okay, so how can you be able to solve student 151 question? So x is linear student, x dash is linear, so first is going to be third, means A going to be third, B x3, that is if you talk about x3, so 2 lone pair electrons, so that is T shape, that is first. Okay, so B is first. Okay, C you see student, C PCl5 pentagonal bipyramidal, so C is going to be what student, second. D if you talk about a square pyramidal, okay, tetrahedral, no, a PCl5 pentagonal bipyramidal, not is square pyramidal student. So C is what, 4, C is 4, C is what student, that is 4, and D is what, pentagonal bipyramidal, D means that is 2. So third 1 4 2, correct option is option number 1 student, third 1 4 2. Okay, Now let us move out the question number 152, students. What is question? Concentration of Ag plus ion in the saturated solution Ag2C2O4 is this much. Solubility product they are asking. Okay. So dear student, Ag2C2O4 and it's solving, that is Ag plus 2Ag plus C2O4 2 minus. Up here concentration they have given 2.2 into 10 की power minus 4, and here is oxalate ion will be half of this. So 1.1 into 10 की power minus 4, it will be half because it is 1 mole, it is 2 mole, right? Ksp if you are calculating, student, so that is what is Ag plus square, okay, and C2O4 2 minus. So Ag plus square how much is, student? 2.2 into 10 की power how much? Minus 4 square, and this is 1.1 into 10 की power minus 4. So how much will Ksp will come, student? 5.3 into 10 की power minus 12. 5.3 into 10 की power minus 12. So this is our required answer, student. 152 is our required answer. Now let us move out the 153. Problem number 153. In the electrochemical cell, this is the electrochemical cell, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, and copper is there. EMF of Daniell cell E1, when the concentration of zinc sulfate changes to 1.0 molar and that of copper sulfate change to 0.01 molar, EMF changes to E2 from the following. Which one is the relationship, okay, between E1 to E2? Given RT by F is equal to 0.0591. Okay, this is there. So let us try to solve it out, students. So E1 if you are calculating, that is E naught minus 0.0591 upon 2, and log what will there, student? Zn2 plus upon Cu2 plus. Okay, this is, so here is what is, that is E naught minus 0.0591 upon 2 and log what is, student? 0.01 upon 1. If you solve it out, student, E naught minus it is coming 0.0591, okay, upon 2 log, if you solve multiply by 100, so 1 by 100. So this is the equation number supposed to become 1, and that is second case. So zinc is there, student, and it is converting into ZnSO4 1 molar, then it is there salt bridge. CuSO4 is there 0.01 molar, and then Cu is there. So E2 you are calculating, that is E naught minus 0.0591 upon what is, that is 2 log 1 by how much, 0.01. So it will come how much, student? Because you multiply by 100 to remove the decimal, so it is coming E naught is equal to 0.0591 upon 2, and log it will come, student, 100. It means that is here whatever the E2 is coming will be greater here you see log 0.0591. So they are asking E1 should be greater than E2 because it will go there and that will come forward. So minus into minus, that is plus. So that is it will come, that is E1 is equal to greater than will come, student, what, E2. So E1 greater than E2. So correct option will be option number 2, student, E1 greater than E2. 154. Which one of the following pairs compound is isoelectronic and isostructural? So isoelectronic means same number of electron, isostructure means same structures. So IF3 and XeF3 not, BeCl2 and Xe. So this is isostructural, but it is not isoelectronic, dear students. Okay. So dear students, this, if you talk about this one, this is the isoelectronic and isostructure. I is there, here is Br, here is Br, okay, and Xe, here is F, and this side F. So this is the isoelectronic and isostructural, students. So this is the our required answer, option number 2. You can keep in mind, student. Now let us move out, student. Question number 5. The IUPAC name of, they are asking the IUPAC name of the following compound. So this is the, if you are naming out, so how can you name? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So this is the 3, this is the keto. okay, 3 keto, then it will come 2 methyl, 3 keto, 2 methyl, okay, and that is hex 4 in 1 al. So correct option will be what? 3 keto 2 methyl hex. Option number 4 is correct. Question number 156. Which one is the wrong statement? Which one is the wrong statement? So the uncertainty principle delta E integral to into delta x greater than equal to h by 4 pi. Okay. So this is the correct statement, students. This is the correct, not wrong. Okay, half filled or half filled and fully filled orbital greater stable due to the greater exchange energy, greater symmetry and more balance. That is also correct. The energy of 2s orbital is less than the energy of 2p. This is wrong. So required answer is option number 3rd. Which is the incorrect statement, student? 157 question they are asking which is the incorrect statement. Okay, so how can you be able to solve incorrect statement? The density decreases in case of crystals with Schottky defect. Schottky, yes, this is the correct, student. Schottky defect, density decrease. NaCl is insulator, silicon, NaCl insulator, silicon is semiconductor, silver conductor, quartz piezoelectronic crystal. So this is also correct, student. Insulator in the solid state, semiconductor, silver is conductor, quartz is the piezoelectric crystal. Third, Frankel defect favored in those ionic compound in which size of cation and anion are almost equal. No, size of cation should be smaller than size of anion. So correct required option is option number 3rd, student. That is cation must be very less than anion. Question number 158. The species having bond angle 120 degree. So trigonal pyramidal planar shape, BCl here, that is Cl here, Cl here. So this is the bond angle is how much? 120 degree. So correct option is option number 3rd. 158. If you are going for the next, student, 159. For a given reaction, delta H is this much and delta S is the reaction is spontaneous and delta S do not vary with the temperature. Okay, so how can you be able to solve this problem? Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. This is the equation. At equilibrium, you know, student, at equilibrium delta G is equal to 0. So delta H is equal to T delta S. Okay, so T equilibrium, if you talk about, student, T equilibrium, so T equilibrium, what will be there, student? Delta H upon delta S. Okay, delta H is equal to how much they have given? 35.5 into 1000 and that is 83.6 in joule. So it will come in the Kelvin. So how much coming, student? 425 Kelvin. T equilibrium coming 425. Since the reaction is exothermic, it will be spontaneous at more than 425 Kelvin. So that is delta, temperature should be more than 425 Kelvin. So you see, student, which is correct option? Option number A itself is correct. Next one, question number 160, student. Which of the following is a sink for CO? Hemoglobin is having 300 times more combining capacity compared to that is oxygen. Okay, so it form carboxy hemoglobin. 161, you see, ionic mobility of dilute if molality of dilute solution is doubled, the molar depression constant Kf will be. Okay, so they are saying that is, you know very well, students, that is Kf is depending on Kf is equal to delta Tf is equal to I into Kf into m. Okay, Kf does not depend on the concentration of solution, it only depend on the nature of solvent, so it will unchanged. Okay, so this is depending on the Kf is depending on the nature of the solvent. Okay, Kf is always depending on the nature of solvent, so it will be the unchanged. So if molality of dilute solution is half, molar difference concept will be the unchanged. Option number 3rd. Let's move question 16. Which of the following is dependent on the temperature? Okay, so molarity is the dependent on the temperature. Okay, student. 163. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Okay, the value of equilibrium constant is changed in the presence of the catalyst in the reaction at equilibrium. What they are saying, the value of, they are saying the value of equilibrium constant is changed in the presence of catalyst in the reaction at equilibrium. Right, student? So the, if you are saying, dear students, if you see this point, they are asking, that is not correct statement. The value of equilibrium constant is changed in the presence of catalyst. It never changes, student. Equilibrium, value of equilibrium constant only depend on temperature, not the nature of catalyst. Catalyst only speed of the reaction. So our required answer is option number A itself, student. Identify A and predict the type of reaction. So if it is going to react with NaNH2, dear students, if it is going to react with NaNH2, so what the product we are going to get? This, let us try to solve, students, this problem. So we are having this compound, student, OCH3, aromatic ether. Here is Br, and it is talking about NaNH2. So what it will be there, student? It will be OCH3 here. This will absorb the hydrogen of this hydrogen, so it will come the negative charge, and here is the elimination. Br is getting out. Okay, and if the Br is getting out, so this bond is shifting here. So what kind of here will be that is forming, that is alkyne. So this is OCH3. Here will be that is triple bond, students. Right? So if triple bond is there, if it will attack by, that is again NH3. So what it will give, student, that is it will absorb here. So what the product you are going to get, student? It is OCH3, and here will be that is NH2. So this is the substitution reaction, student. Elimination, no. Substitution, this position, meta substitution, student. So correct option is option number 4 will be our required answer, dear students. Now let us move out the next question, student. What is the next question you see out? So if you see this one, the correct order of the stoichiometries of the AgCl form when AgNO3 is in excess treated with the complex COCl3 6NH3, COCl3 5NH3, and COCl3, this much. Okay, so let us try to solve it out, this problem, students. How can you be able to solve this? The correct, here you see, if we are having that age 3Cl is there, so in this case if 3Cl is there, so no, if you are treating the correct order of the stoichiometry of the AgCl form when AgNO3 is excess treated. So if you are treating with AgNO3, this going to treat AgNO3, this is also AgNO3, and this is also going to be AgNO3. This is 3AgNO3. Dear students, what is this? So if you are treating with AgNO3, so 3Cl is there, so 3AgCl will obtained. Here is 3AgCl will obtain. Here is 2, na 5 1 6 coordination number we have to maintain, na. So 2AgCl will form. Here is 4 and 4 2 6, so 1 AgCl. Okay, so 3 2 1, which is correct, student? 3 2 1. Correct option is option number 2, students. The correct statement regarding the electrophile is, the correct statement regarding the electrophile is 166. We are going to understand the correct statement. Electrophile is negatively charged, that is wrong. Positive charge. Electrophile are generally neutral species and can form the bond accepting a pair of electron from nucleophile. Generally neutral, no. No. Sometime it can be neutral, not generally neutral. Electrophile can be either neutral, positively charged species and can form bond by accepting the pair of electron from. So this is the correct option, student, option number 3rd. So they are asking correct statement, option number 3rd is correct. Next, a gas is allowed to expand in well insulated container against the constant external pressure of 2.5 atm from an initial volume 2.50 liter, final volume 4.50, the change in internal energy. So that is, you solve is to P is equal to W is equal to minus P external delta V. So here is minus 2.5, 4.5 minus 2.5. So it is coming to be how much, student? Minus 5 liter. Okay. So it is coming minus 5 liter. Up now students, that is if you are converting atm liter, so you convert into joule. So minus 5 into 101.3 joule. So it is coming minus 505 joule. Okay. This one, since system is Vance insulated, so that is Q is equal to will be 0. So that is delta U is equal to Q plus W. So delta U is equal to W is equal to minus 505 joule. So you see that is internal energy is what? Minus 505. Option number 2 is correct, students. 168. Move out one. Which of the following reaction is appropriate for the covering acetamide and methanamide? Acetamide and methanamide. So this is the which of the following reaction appropriate for converting acetamide to methanamide. So acetamide is what is there, is CH3C double bond O, and here is NH2. Okay. So you are treating with the Br2 and 4KOH. So it will give that is CH3NH2 plus 2KBr plus K2CO3. Right. So this is Hofmann reaction, student. This is not Hofmann bromide. Option number 1 is correct, student. 169. With respect to the conformers of ethane, which of the following statement is true? They are asking the true statements. So bond angle change but bond length remain the same. Okay, that is wrong. Bond angle and bond length change, wrong. Both bond angle and bond length remain the same. So correct option is option number 3rd. Okay. So bond angle is there or bond length remain will be same with respect to conformers of the ethane. So correct option is option number 3rd. In which of the following ion both species contain SS bond? Okay, so we have to check out. So SS bond we have to find out, students. See this option. This option is itself is correct, student. If you talk about S4O62 minus, so this is coming to be O minus here. Then here will be that is sulfur double bond O double bond O. Here is what is S and here is S. Here double bond O double bond O. Here is O and this is. Again what is there? Another is there S2O3. So S2O3 means S double bond S. Here is O minus. Here is O minus double bond O. So this is our SS bond is there. That is option number 1 itself is correct, student. 171. It is because of inability of NS2 electron of the valence cell the participate in bonding that cell to participate in bonding, because of NS2 they are not participate in the bonding. Okay, so that is called that is inert paired effect, dear student. Okay, that is called inert paired effect. So if you see, student, what could be our required answer for this one? Okay, so SN2 plus reducing. Okay, why? Because that is 4 plus is not possible. Pb4 plus is oxidizing because it can accept electron to convert into as Pb2 plus. So our answer will be option number 4. Okay, next, correct increasing order for the wavelength of the adsorption in the visible region to the complex of the CO3 is. Okay, the complex CO3 is. So dear students, what we can do for the visible region? Okay, so that is the EA is equal to 1 by lambda A. This is the EA is equal to absorption energy. Okay, this is the absorption energy, and lambda A is absorption wavelength. Absorption wavelength. This is the absorption wavelength. This is the two things are there. Up, dear students, is the strong field ligand is there, so absorption, splitting energy will be high and wavelength will be low. So if you see, that is order of the strength En, then NH3, and then H2O. This is the order. So its wavelength will be less in this case. So if the correct option will be, they are saying increasing order of wavelength. So that is lowest wavelength this and highest this one. So H2O, NH3, and the correct option is option number 4, student. Okay, let us move out the next question, students. Question number 173. Consider the reaction X. It is dipping with the copper. A, AgNO3, silver mirror observed. So A, X, Y, Z they are asking, dear students. If you are treating, that is, suppose it is having CH3, CH2OH, you are passing with the copper, it will give, that is, CH3CHO. And if you are treating with the freshly prepared silver nitrate, AgNO3 twice, so it will, this will give the silver mirror. This will give the silver mirror. Okay, if you are treating this with the OH, so it will give, that is, CH3CH double bond CH, and it is CHO, right? And here if you talk about this one, students, so you are lastly you are saying that it is being treated with the NH2, so that is, if you are treating with the what, student, NH2, that is NH, C double bond O, and NH2, right? So what it will, the product will be, that is CH3, CH2 double bond N, okay, again NHC double bond O and NH2. This is the product. Okay, so this many product is going to be formed here. Let us see. A number, what, ethanol. So A number is ethanol, methoxyethane, wrong. Ethanol, that is wrong, and that is A, methoxy, that is wrong. So correct option itself is showing only 2 is the correct option. Next one is, you see, student, of the following, which is the product form when cyclohexanone undergoes aldol condensation followed by heating? So we are going to solve 174, dear students. How will be able to form? Of the following, which is the product form when cyclohexanone undergoes aldol condensation followed by heating? Okay, so aldol condensation, you see. So if we are having this one, aldol condensation, double bond O plus O, so how can you be able to get the product here? Double bond O, this. Let us try to have the mechanism, students. What is the mechanism of it? So if you talk about the mechanism, students, here double bond O is there, here is hydrogen, it is the attacked by the, it is OH, it's attacking, it is forming the negatively charge. So double bond O, here is negative charge, here what is happening, O, and this is the, okay, case, students. Okay, you can put out to be. Okay, this is okay. So if you see, here is also the charges are not there in the center, nothing is there, students. This is, there is no ring is there, only the cyclohexanone is there, na? This is negative charge. So what we are going to do here in this case, this negative charge is going to attack where it is, that is the carbonyl carbon. So it is going to attack on the carbonyl carbon, dear students. This bond is splitting out. So let us see how the intermediate is going to form, students. Here will be, that is double bond O. With this you are going to add out this group. here is O negative, and this O negative is there from the water. Here HOH will be there, this will absorb this one, this is forming the alcohol. So dear students, here will be double bond O, here is the, okay, again and again I am putting the ring. No, this is OH. Okay, ring is not required, ring is not required. Now what will happen, let us move out minus H2O. So you are removing the water molecule from here, one hydrogen, and here this is all getting out. So what the product will be there, student, here will be C double bond O, no the ring again making O double bond O, here is like that, and this will be the bonding. So this is our required product, students. Let us move out what is the required product here. This is the not, this is not, this is not, this is our option number A is required product. Let us move out the question number 25. Which of the following pairs of species have the same bond order? You know, which of the following pairs of species have the same bond order? We have to note out, that is which is having same bond order. So same number of electrons, same bond order, 16, here is 14. So not, here is how much, 14, 14. So that is will the same bond order, option number 2. So this is very easy. Now 176. What about 176? They are saying extraction of gold and silver involve leaching with Cn minus ion. Silver is later recovered by, okay, silver is later recovered by. So that is cyanide process is there, students, okay, and silver is replacement formed by the replacement with the zinc, because how we can see, that is if you talk about student, wait. Now student, let us see 177. So a 20-liter container at 400 Kelvin contains CO2 at a pressure 0.4 atm and excess of SRO. Neglect the volume of solid SRO. The volume of the container is now decreased by moving the movable piston fitted in the container. The maximum volume of the container where pressure of CO2 attains the maximum value will be, okay. So they are saying maximum value. So how can you be able to solve this one? That is 4 option equation they have given, option they are given, student. So let us try to solve it out here, students. So that is what we are having, that is SrCO2 C, and it is giving SrO plus CO2. If you are having Kp is equal to, what will be there, student, PCO2 for this reaction, because here is S is there and here is the gas is there and here is solid. So that is Kp is equal to, that is PCO2 will be maximum pressure of CO2 they are saying. If you talk about maximum pressure of CO2, okay, here you see, student, that is CO2 0.4 atm and excess of, neglect the volume, the value of the container, moving mobile pistons, the container, the maximum volume of the container when pressure of CO2 is maximum value. So how much it will be maximum value, student? It will there, maximum value will be there, student, 1.6 atm, okay. So P1 B1, okay. So P1 B1 is equal to P2 V2. P1 B1 is equal to, what will be there, student? P2 V2. This will be P1 B1 equal to P2 V2. And from this, what we can be able to get, student, from the P1 B1 is equal to P2 B2. You put out the value, students. So 0.4 into 20 is equal to 1.6 into V2. So what is there, student? B2 is equal to 5 liter. B2 is equal to 5 liters. So correct option you see, student, option number, what is that? Option number 5 liter, option number 4 is correct. 178. Pick out the correct statement with respect to MnCN6 3 minus. MnCN6 3 minus, they are saying, pick out the correct statement, okay. So if you see MnCN6, let us see, student, The firstly we are going for the hybridization. Okay, so manganese, what is that? Is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. So manganese with 25. So it is there 3d5 4s2. Okay, so what is the oxidation number? Mn3 plus. Mn3 plus means what, student? That is 3d4. 3d4 means what? 3d4, है ना, 3d4. So and with is Cn is there, pairing will be there, student. So what the hybridization it will go, student? Okay, so pairing will be not that much. Okay, so here it will see 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 and okay, and here will be pairing 3 4, and there it will be 3 more. So it is d2 and 3, how many? 6 are there, so 2 involved, that is sp3. d2 sp3 will be hybridization. So sp3 d2 wrong, this d2 sp3. Correct option is option number 2, students. 179. The region for greater range of oxidation state in actinoid is attributed to. Okay, in actinide is attributed to. So which is the correct one, students? You see, the region for greater range of oxidation state in actinide is attributed to, that is 5f67s level having the comparable energy. So because of 5f67s, they are having the comparable energy, so that the oxidation state is high. Which of the following statement is not correct, student? They are asking which of the following statement is not correct. So ovulation is a simple food reserve in the egg white. Okay, that is albumin is a, so that is correct, no, student? Correct one. Blood protein, no, thrombin and fibrinogen are involved in the blood clotting, that is correct. Denaturation makes the protein more active, no, that is making that is inactive, dear student. So this is all about the NEET 2017 paper discussion, student. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, dear friends.